Amit, we have been planning a road trip since a very long time now. Should we plan something out?
Oh, that sounds awesome. I'm totally in for the plan. Where should we go?
I was thinking about Jaipur. It got some great sights, sand dunes, and a lot more.
I have recently gotten the Vertis for a test and I have not gotten a chance to take it on the highways. I think we should take the car there.
A sedan for a road trip? You sure we'll be hitting the highways? The monsoon is here. We'll also be going on some maybe not so usual spots.
Oh, absolutely. It is not a regular sedan. We are talking the Volkswagen Vertis here.
Well, it's still not an SUV.
Well, if you're so sure about the Virtus handling all that stuff, well, I am up for this challenge. Let's see what this vehicle has for us.
Chalo, done if we are taking the Vertis. See you then. Hello.
Where are you? Can't see you.
Yeah, I can see you.
Is that you in the red car?
Itna saman. It's just a weekend getaway.
I know, but you will be in for a big surprise.
Let's go.
Inside this car, I think this has definitely surpassed my expectations. I'm liking this dashboard. I have big screens right there, right, one for the infotainment, one for the instrument console. I think this cabin, it definitely looks a lot upmarket. Great place to be in for the entire trip.
Well, I can see opinions changing already. We are not even in 10 kilometers into the trip. And of course, the interior ambience is awesome because you get a 10.1-inch infotainment system that not only offers a very vivid and a very fluid experience, but also wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We have got a digital dash, cruise control and all the gist. I'm sure you must be liking that along with the ventilated seat function that we are enjoying both at this moment.
Good enough. That means I'm connecting my device now. And you'll definitely have some great audio tracks inside
No,
there.
I would still want to play my playlist because I have had a very terrible experience with the Haryanvi songs. So please let my weekend and all that play. Please. Oh man, it has been a lovely drive. What do you think?
Yes, so far I'm definitely impressed with the car. But I think I'll be now driving to see how good actually is it and how different is it from an SUV.
And I am sure you will change your mind once you drive it.
So Amit, so far I think the day has been great, all I'll say. Like I am completely speechless. The beauty right in front of me and of course the capabilities of this car. I tried almost everything to actually maybe pin you down with your choice of a sedan.
I was pretty confident with the fact that the Vertis will do everything that could come its way, but this is something that even I could not have imagined in my wildest of dreams. Like we are in the middle of a goddamn desert with a sedan, a camping setup. This is impeccable to say the least.
So I think you'll need to actually give credits for the whole planning and whole execution.
And also the thrill that I have brought with the Vertis, because the drive experience on the highways and the way it dealt with not only the corners but also the whole dune bashing thing that we did. It is unheard of in this setting. I'm sure nobody would have expected a sedan to be parked around here.
It's raining in Jaipur, let me tell you. I'm not very sure what would be happening tomorrow in the morning. But I think if everything goes as per the plan, you are in for a big surprise.
It should be, because I have set the bar pretty high.
Let's hope for the best. And I guess we should actually call it a day today now.
For sure, dude. I'm so tired and I just wanna go in there and sleep. You are sleeping in the car, by the way.
day one definitely was great for us, and I think not only did the Virtus impress me, but the way it ended, the scenic view that we were actually witnessing, the camping and all, I definitely enjoyed it.
Nothing could have gone better in that day, I'm being honest. Dune bashing, the camping, the food that we had, it was all amazing.
Well, if you loved that and I loved the car, I promised you day 2 would be even better. So now we are heading towards Jaipur just to have a taste of that city.
So Amit, now tell me, how was my plan?
I mean, the plan was good, but you tell me, how is the car?
Well, honestly speaking,
The car's nice. I like the performance. I liked how it drives. I loved driving it. I liked the capabilities, and I think with this vehicle we really had a great time.
I mean, how could not it be? It's the Volkswagen Virtus. It has all the features, ample amount of ground clearance and a lot of power as well.
True, and I told you, Virtus is gonna do it all.